Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lukman, and today I'll be going through one very important topic, talking about how to get away from evil spirits, bad dreams, and even the case of spiritual marriages. If you learn what I'm going to be teaching you in this video, then you are going to be free from evil spirits, bad dreams, or what you call spiritual marriage. If it's something you are interested in, then let's get into it. You are welcome back. I'm going to be discussing something very simple but can be controversial. But either controversial or not, this is something that it is an ancient secret. It's a secret because so many people are not aware of this. And what is it? It is very simple. We are going to be talking about the power of shaving. The power of shaving your ear. The ear I'm talking about now is not the one on your head, but the under ears, like the armpit, the one under your private parts. That is what I'm going to be talking about. I don't want you to be confused or to be somehow surprised to see me talking about this. This is an ancient secret. And why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I see a lot of people, they talk about having negativity, evil spirits, evil dreams, bad dreams, and the rest. But they keep on complaining. Though I give some things for them to do, but I just realize so many of them are missing out on this important topic, important secret, because they are not aware. They are not aware. But this, like I said, is an ancient secret. For those who know, they understand the power. This one is very powerful if you can do it. So, what are you going to be doing? It is very simple. It is very simple. What you are going to be doing is simply that you are going to be shaving your armpits, then the pubic hair in your private parts. You are going to be shaving. And how do you shave? This is what you do. Anyhow that you know how to shave, you can use a razor blade, you can use clipper, you can use anything. Just make sure you are clean shave, and you do this on a stipulated time. The stipulated time I mean is that in spirituality, this ancient secret is that you have to shave every 40 days. Every 40 days. Every 40 days. And what this means is that most of these bad spirits, these evil spirits, these jinns, this spiritual husband, spiritual wife, they meet at a certain time, and that time is when they decide the fate. And the route by which they get to you is through your pubic parts, your pubic hair, your private parts, the ear on your private parts. That is the route by which they get to you. You might not know this. It is very simple. But the problem is that this is a secret. It is kept secret. So many people are not aware. But if you are aware, you have to thank your star for coming across this video today. It is a simple thing. You must develop the habit of shaving your hair, your pubic hair, the hair under your armpit and the one in your private parts. Make sure you shave at most 40 days. But at least if you can be doing it every week. I know some of our ladies are doing it, but they don't know the spiritual implication of this. Most of our ladies do this. They shave from time to time. But the men folk, only few of us do it. Only few of us do it. Maybe because we are not aware. The ladies, I'm not sure they are aware, but they just do it for hygiene purpose. They want to look clean and neat. But there is a spiritual importance, there's a spiritual implication to that shaving. When you shave regularly, then you are keeping yourself away from the bad spirit. So many of these bad spirits or jinns, they enter through you through the pubic hair in your private part and in your armpit. That is their root. You know, the reason is simple. The hair under your armpit is somehow, it has some odor, is somehow dirty. And jinns, evil spirits, they like dirty places. They like very dirty places. They enter through dirty places. But the ear that is very close to you, the things that is so dirty that is very close to you, is your private part. And that is the root, that is the place by which they enter. But once you can make sure you shave your armpit, the hair under your armpit and your pubic hair in your private part, if you shave regularly, then these bad spirits will go away. They won't even come near you. And you can do well by using the right, if you want to take your bath with the right soap. Use soaps that have fragrances. Use soaps that have fragrances. If you are the type that love perfume, then try to use, but you have to use in moderation. There are some perfumes that even attract these jinns and these bad spirits. So anyone you want to use, try to do it in moderation. But the lesson for today, the lesson in this video is that you must shave constantly. You must shave constantly. And when I say shave, I'm talking about the armpit hair in your armpit and your pubic part. That means in your private part, the hair there, you have to shave. And at most, it has to be every 40 days. But if you can be doing it regularly, I think it's very, 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 very good. If you can be doing it with other cleansings that you are used to, you can cleanse with salt, you can cleanse with garlic and salt, you can cleanse with camphor. If you can be doing it, then any bad spirit, evil spirits will run away from you. They won't come near you because they don't have a route by which they can get through you. I have said in the beginning that the main route by which bad spirits get through you is your pubic part, the hair in your pubic part. Even the hair on our head, they get through to us. They get through some of us through the hair, and that is why I always preach that if you want to leave your hair very open, don't make it so bushy. Just plait it if you can plait it. Don't make it so bushy. Don't leave your hair so bushy, and don't expose yourself unnecessarily. I'm not saying you cannot put on anything you like, but don't overexpose yourself. Leaving yourself open, you are leaving yourself open to this bad spirit. Because they are spirits. They want good things. They like good things too. They want to be attracted to good things. They will be attracted to you. And the route by which they go through you is majorly the hair on your pubic part and the hair armpit. They use the one on your head at times, but majorly this is just simple, just straight. I just said I should let you know this. Just inculcate it in your spiritual practice. If I were you, you can be doing it every week, every 2 weeks. Just pick a time, just pick a day that you do it regularly so that it becomes part and parcel of you. When I learned this, it saved me a lot. When I learned this, I got free from a lot of negativity, and ever since I've been the best for it. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button, press the notification bell. It does not cost you anything. It is free to do. And for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber. Without you, there can't be me. Without me, there can't be you. You make this channel to be what it is. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can actually succeed together. Thank you.